What you're looking at right here is the book of Genesis from 1815. Right here you can see published in 1815. And I want you guys to read this with me. All right, so in the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. And the earth was without form and void, and darkness was upon the face of the depth. And the Spirit of God moved upon the face of the waters. And God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. And God saw the light, and it was good. And God divided the light from the darkness. And God called the light day, and the darkness he called night. And the evening and the morning were the first day. And God said, "Let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters, and let it divide the waters from the waters." And God made the firmament and divided the waters which were under the firmament from the waters which were above the firmament, and it was so. And God called the firmament heaven. Okay, now this is very interesting because when we look at what our ancestors told us, they depicted the exact same thing. The heavens above the firmament, the waters above the firmament, dividing the waters from the waters, because it's as above, so below. This is why the sky is blue. Then God divided the light from the dark, and he called the light day, and he called the dark night. So my question is, why would you believe NASA over the Bible and our wisest ancient ancestors? You ever wonder why they say T minus when they're counting down? Minus the T. Because minus the T, Satan. It's an anagram. Did you know that the word NASA in Hebrew means to deceive? Because they're deceiving you. I mean, like, look at this. This is an official NASA photo. They finally caught the moon going in front of the Earth, guys. Yeah, that's not Photoshop at all, for sure. This is literally how all of our ancestors depicted the Earth. And then you have NASA with a different CGI image every single year. Not consistent. This is clearly Photoshop. Why wouldn't you believe our ancestors? Why wouldn't you believe the Bible, the Quran, all religious texts? They all talk about the firmament, the waters above. That's why the sky is blue. But the eyes are useless when the mind is blind. Peace and love.
Humans were never meant to see.
Most people think the sun is a burning ball in space. But what if I told you it's not real? Beneath us, at the center of the earth, lies the black sun, a powerful, unseen core, spinning, pulsing, breathing. This black sun generates ether energy, the life force of the realm. It spirals upward through the polar north, through the axis mundi, the world tree, the celestial pole. When this energy hits the celestial dome, it splits. The plus-positive charge refracts and forms the sun. The negative charge forms the moon. But they're not physical objects. They are plasma manifestations, energy reacting with the firmament. That's why the moon isn't reflecting light. It's emitting it. It glows with a cold, silvery luminescence. Plasma X-ray field, showing transparency, depth, and even hidden landforms beneath. The sun burns bright because of focused energy. The moon phases change as the black sun coils inward and outward like a serpent. When the energy overlaps or cancels, you get crescents, full moons, or new moons, and the stars, their standing waves of ether dancing across the dome. Unique energetic signatures like cymatic patterns, each fixed in its own toroidal field, projected by the black sun. You've been taught to look up for answers, but the truth is, everything above is a mirror of what lies below. This is for entertainment purposes only.
You have to wake up! I have so much to show you! Stop resisting!